Hey there, Jason Hubbard here with Loyalty Home Group. Today we're out in Apache Junction. We're in Blossom Rock, which is a brand new community out here. Multiple different builders. I believe there's 5 different builders out here. Anyways, today we're going to be looking at the Trillium plan, which is a NextGen home. These are really cool, so stick around to check out this NextGen suite. This property is 2,647 square feet. It has 4 bedrooms, it has 3 baths, and it has a 3-bay garage. And the main home is 1,965 square feet. In the NextGen suite, which has a full kitchen, is 682 square feet. Let's go ahead, go inside, check this out. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments and what you think of these NextGen homes. As you come in the home, notice right here to the right, this goes off into the garage, and this door to the left is going to go into the NextGen suite. We'll check that out at the end of the video. I always like to start here in the main living area, so that's what we'll do today. Off to the right over here, you'll see the kitchen. This kitchen is going to have a beautiful maple cabinet and granite countertops. Dining area over here to the back of the home. Let's take another look at the kitchen. Again, reminding you that these homes out here have the option for gas stoves, which my clients tend to love. And then looking out at the great big living space here, this particular one has a double slider. All right, let's go check out the primary suite. Okay, coming into the primary suite, you'll see the primary bathroom to the left. But first, we'll take a look at this suite and see what kind of space it gives us. Nice window to the back, and then notice here on the walls behind the bed, double window up high. They always have cool light fixtures in the models, keeping in mind that what you see in the model does not always equate to what you see in the home that you actually purchase. So double sinks here, and a walk-in shower, walk-in closet, pretty large closet here. And Lennar likes to keep a relatively small inventory, so these homes go pretty quick. They do have a different product, these NextGen suites, that most builders don't have. That's bathroom number 1. And this is guest bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 2. We have the utility room here. So that's it for the main part of the home. You'll see, like I said, 3 bedrooms and then 2 bathrooms in this great big living area. But then the special feature for this property is going to be these NextGen suites, which people are loving nowadays. So as you step into the NextGen suite, I like to start over just like I did in the main house in the living area. And this is the difference with the Lennar NextGen suite, and most guest suites in homes do not have their own separate full kitchen. Most of them will have a microwave and a sink, and that's about it. With Lennar, they have this patented, they have the NextGen suite that is fully livable, great for the in-laws, teenagers if you're daring enough to give them their own space. You could rent them out. I've got a buddy who bought one of these, and he does Airbnb for this space here. So all kinds of options, which to me, options always make things better. So you could rent this, you could put family in it, whatever suits your need. So they got the living space, they got their own full bathroom, and then of course they have their own full bedroom. Some of these come with their own garage. This particular floor plan does come with its own garage. It also comes with its own washer and dryer, as you see there in the closet. So fully functional unit here. And when you put this into perspective, it's really good. I mean, today's prices on these are $660,000 and some change. So one car garage comes with it. But if you think about what you get for $660,000 and what you can do with it, really good options. So as we finish up here in the Trillium floor plan, again, this main home has 1,965 square feet. The NexGen suite that we just finished up in has 682 square feet for a total of 2,647 square feet. Like I said, Lennar doesn't keep a ton of inventory. They kind of sell the homes as they go. They are high demand. So make sure you reach out to your agent. Do not come out here without your agent. Do not call in without your agent. If you have interest in this property, reach out to your real estate agent. If you don't have an agent, you can contact me, 480-588-2281. You can also comment down below and I'll reach out to you right away. If you come out here without your agent or you call without your agent, you're not gonna get representation. So they will sell you a home, but you're not gonna be represented because the salespeople in the office, they work for the builder directly. So if you have any questions, reach out down below and I will talk to you soon. Look forward to seeing you on the next video.